200 teams from across the East African region are expected to take part in this year's edition of Gold Cup that will be held here in Nairobi. The week-long tournament will see talented players scouted by clubs from across the region. Robinson Okenye spoke to the youngsters who have put the tournament together and filed the following report.
More than 500 players are expected to feature during this year's edition of the Gold Cup that will be staged in Nairobi. The tournament, which is on its fourth edition, has seen the number of participants grow each year from the 6 teams that took part in the inaugural edition.
From the research that we have done, we have seen that people are, they're showing this talent from a very young age, and we want to give even those under 13s that opportunity so that they can start to take football as a career very seriously.
We realize instead of only giving opportunity to only Kenyan players, why not expand and actually go East Africa-wise? That's where Congo comes in.
This year's edition will feature for the first time an under-18 category. However, unlike last year, the organizers have scrapped prize money for the winners.
We're trying to get guys away from playing for the money and encourage more people to play for the opportunities. You see, when you have too much prize money, what happens is that people do not display their talent completely. Instead, they play that kind of anti-football.
What you learn, the skills you actually improve on as a player. As a player, you'd want to improve on certain things. So I think it will be a huge success despite the money being chopped off.
Players will also stand a chance to be scouted by top clubs in the region.
So in order to achieve this, we invited scouts from all over the continent, actually. We have scouts from Azam FC in Tanzania, from Rwanda APR, that's a Rwandese club, obviously. We have scouts from Uganda as well. We even have scouts from TP Mazembe from Congo.
The week-long tournament will begin on August 15th. Robinson Okenye, KTN Sport.